Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to cancel your ElevenLabs subscription, and also how to request a refund if you no longer want to use their service. As we know, once we subscribe to ElevenLabs, the payment will be charged automatically every month. But what if the money has already been taken, and we don't want the service anymore? Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Part 1. How to cancel your ElevenLabs subscription. First, open the ElevenLabs website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom left corner, and click on your profile. Then, choose Subscription, and click Manage Subscription. Scroll down, and click Cancel Subscription. A question will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Scroll again, and press Process. Next, select a reason why you want to cancel. Then click Next. At this stage, ElevenLabs may offer you a discount, for example, 30% off your next payment. But since we want to cancel, just select Cancel Subscription. That's it. Your subscription has now been cancelled, and on the next billing date, you will no longer be charged. Part 2. How to request a refund. Now, what if your money has already been charged? You can request a refund, but there are two conditions. First, the refund request must be within 14 days of your payment. Second, you haven't used any of your credit balance. If both conditions are met, you can go ahead and request your refund. Simply click the refund form link that I've placed in the description of this video. Once you're on the refund page, fill in the form. Enter your ElevenLabs account email. For platform, choose ElevenLabs. Then select Website. For issue, choose Account and Billing. Next, select Cancel and Refund. For type, choose Question. And write a short description of your refund request. For the attachment section, it's optional. You may upload your payment receipt from email if you want. When everything is done, just hit Submit. After that, you'll receive a verification email. Don't forget to click the verification button. Without this step, your refund request will not be processed. Once verified, you'll get another email confirming your refund. For example, you may see a message saying that $22 has been refunded. However, it usually takes around 5 to 10 business days before the money arrives in your account.